What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Tanya Rochelle. Oh my goodness, y'all. I have been vacationing. I have been just over there playing around on TikTok, like I have told y'all once before. I'm able to go live over there. I've been enjoying things, a whole lot. But I don't want to neglect you guys over here, so that's why I'm back. So, what's been going on with you? I'm just checking in and just kind of catching you up as to what's going on in in business world. Okay, so even while I've been vacationing and all, I've had a lot of people who have been reaching out to me, yet and still, about medical commodities, about even when it comes to selling on eBay, things like that. So one of the questions, that's what I'm on here for. One of the questions was, um, I guess it was somebody who they saw I wasn't too active on YouTube, so they reached out to me and said, "Hey, are you still active doing medical commodities?" And I told you yes. That one thing about medical commodities is that, like I said before, it's my main thing. It's my main side piece. And the reason of that, it's been the most consistent, even during times when, even in my career, I couldn't work. I could always depend on medical commodities because of the type of service that we're providing. And now with how things are with, inflation, gas prices are high, people's money that they're receiving hasn't changed, but everything else has went up. So the demand is becoming more and more, so um and if you know anything, I'm kind of digressing. If you know anything about vacationing, I'm at that point now where I'm having to recover from all the vacationing that I've done. Um, so I'm looking at myself. I look a little tired, but I'm not tired. It's just that I'm transitioning from vacation mode back to getting to work. So it's a process. So, but anyway, back to the medical commodities, it's it's consistent. As long as you're doing what you are supposed to be doing in the way of positioning yourself for marketing and also positioning yourself for building your clientele, you can pretty much count on it on a monthly basis in terms of knowing what you will be able to make, especially if you're building clientele, things like that. So to answer that question, yes, I'm still very much so active in medical commodities. Somebody also asked me uh, a question about, they saw one of my videos about the the financial education. So yes, the financial education or the insurance business, yes, that is my career. That is what I do for a living. That is my career. That is my everyday work that I do. Yes, I am still doing that. I'm very much so licensed. I'm licensed in multiple states. And one of the biggest things now is people, I have a few people who have hit me up about Medicare. Yes, I still do Medicare. Medicare is an absolutely amazing space to be in. If you're not, if you've never, I know a lot of, like, when I first heard about it, I was almost discouraged out of it, and it was from one of my own people. I think that um, it's something that everyone who is licensed or wants to get licensed, just understand that there is when it comes to education and training, there is a commitment, a yearly commitment that you have to do in terms of taking the AHIP. But other than that, and be willing to get the training from the providers as things change. If you're willing to get all the information so that you can be of the utmost, the best type of resource for your client, then that's the space for you. We also, within our agency, is something I've only seen in my agencies that I work in. Like, we have real true teamwork. When we meet, we get together, we share information, we show how we do our events, it's all about working together in the teamwork, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So yes, I'm still doing Medicare. Yes, we still have, if people want to join our agency, that's awesome. I would say for yourself, because I know the resources that we have. It's just absolutely amazing, the type of support that we have. So I understand that aspect of it, and I cherish it greatly. Okay, so yes, I still do it, and would advise anyone who is looking to set themselves up in terms of retirement. Like if you really just work at this for about 4 or 5 years, really hit it and build your book of business, you will be okay. And let's see what else. Was it any more questions? I think those were the only two. Yeah, those were the only two for now. That I can think of. Only two I can think of. So yeah. So like, oh, I know what it is. If you made it to the end of this video. So what I think I'm gonna do, because yeah, people have been reaching out about medical commodities, but it's like what gets me, this is what gets me, is when people, like, usually when people join, they say, oh, I had this other course I took and I paid all this money, blah blah blah, and I didn't get what I wanted, but they'll pay $100 or $150 with me and get everything they need. But as I noticed, as the price has increased to $300, now people crying broke. And like, at some point you gotta stop cheating yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll be willing to get it from somebody else that's probably, not like me, a minority woman. You'll be willing to go to other people's courses and spend way more. And I know it's true. I know that. That's was one of the reasons why I did this particular group, is because of the issues and the concerns, about people complaining about the price. However, I also remember a time when I used to bring people on for free and people wouldn't move. That's why I put a ticket on it. I put a ticket on it. It seemed like the ticket may have been too low. Maybe 1 or 2 people moved. Made it a little higher. Okay, a few more people moved. And then now it's at the $300 threshold, and it's, oh, I want to come, but I got to get my money together. And I totally understand it. I'm not tripping about that, but if it's truly I need to get my money together type situation. But there are times when people will try to also take your kindness for weakness. And you're not hurting me, you will be hurting yourself in terms of that, because they're that will be on you. However, for those people who truly want to get started, and I know school's going back, we gotta buy school supplies, school clothes, and food, and all these different things. I know how it is. So I am going to go ahead and do a special. I'm gonna go ahead and do a special. So today is August the 17th. So from August the 17th until, let me see, September, October, November, December. Okay, until January the 1st, I'm going to bring the price half off for the medical commodities and make it $150. So there will be I will just outright change it. So you'll notice when you go to the website, tinyrichshow.com, after today. So after you see this video, I should have changed it to reflect just until January the 1st. And that's for those people who truly financially, they just, it just ain't happening for them right now, and they want to do something that's going to allow them to create an income. This is for you. This is my blessing, my gift to you. But people who are shortchanging themselves, got the money and just don't want to spend it, you'll find out how karma works, you know, and it's not from me, it's from yourself. You know what I'm saying? You listening to you, and you know, you hear yourself even when you don't open your mouth. So, you know, just know that. Okay, so that's pretty much it, you guys. You can follow me on TikTok as well if you want to keep up with me in terms of my everyday life and the stuff I'll be getting into, and even like with my traveling and stuff. My TikTok name is let's see, this would, let me take the blur off my screen. And this is my TikTok, I think. Let me see. So you can follow me, Tanya Rochelle 6 on TikTok. Okay. And you'll see the medical commodities. Oh, look at my nails, Lord. I just got through eating some salad, eggs, and stuff. Golly. There's some eggs under my nails, Jesus. But anyway, but that's what it is. So yeah, you can check me out on TikTok and keep up with me like that. Cause say I've gotten to the point to where I can go live over there, and I do. I take advantage of it. I like it. And the interactions and stuff with TikTok is just wonderful. And you know, since I haven't got to 1,000 yet over here, you know, eventually I guess enough of y'all follow me, and I'll be able to go live and include y'all into a lot of stuff when I'm inspired to do so, and drop gems and stuff like that. I'm able to do it right when I'm feeling it, instead of having to now put a video together, upload the video, all of that stuff. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So yeah, so you can go ahead and you'll find that it's updated on the website. And let me see. Also check out our eBay, the eBay wants the one product eBay store. So like, and this is for people who, you know, they don't want to do the Facebook group when it comes to medical commodities. They just want to learn how to do the process where they can get products and go ahead and get rid of them and know how to research them, and, you know, and things like that. So that's the one product eBay store concept. So you can either do that, or if you want to come into the community where you have access to me through Facebook, things like that, you can do the medical commodities business. Or if, hey, all of that is just too much for you and you just need a little guidance, you pretty much got it from there. You can just get the ebook for $50 and keep it moving. Okay. I think that's it, y'all. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.